Ayan po yung mga tukong namin ng mga bagong dating. Ayan, so may kuldory din kami. Ito, at may mga sando. Dress lang po. Panda. Ito po yung bagong tao-tao namin.
Hi guys, welcome to Grace Fashion.
At ang ganda.
See, I have two kinds of product here. It's sublimation short and this one is jersey short. Actually, this is one of our best sellers. So guys, hurry up, buy na.
Ang galing mo, te. Naingkit na naman si Jungkook ko. Ayan. So, papasok tayo at ipapakita ko yung bago namin. Ito po yung bago naming dating. Ito po yung trending ngayon eh. Ayan. So, ipapasilip ko muna at ito po yung pinaka-best seller namin.
What are the questions that you are going
Wow.
What? This is our new best seller, Terno for kids. The fabric is challis, one-sided. What else?
How about this one?
It looks the same but the print is different.
Okay. How about this one?
It's checkered. The fabric is babulatis.
Babulatis
I
ba
think
dyan?
it's checkered, yeah.
Ito ba yung best seller nyo, miss?
Actually, it's two-way. This one, you can use it like this one. And you can off-shoulder like this. Charan! It can fit from 2 to 4 years old.
How about this one, ma'am? Ang ganda dyan eh.
It looks the same but it's plain. The trendy tao-tao design.
Tao, this one.
People design. Tao-tao eh. Okay.
Oh my God, bye-bye. Thank you, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Saranghe.
Ayan guys, so ito na. Ayan. So bye-bye na guys, tapos na din ako at may gagawin pa ako guys. And thank you po at panoorin po niyo yung YouTube ko guys. So thank you for everything. Bye.